Hi everybody, it's Katie here at Barlife, and I'm going to talk to you about proper form in a grand battement. First things first, grand battement should have both legs really strong and engaged, but it's also a dynamic stretch, so make sure that it's not too heavy. It should be nice and free and light. So when you go to the front, first thing to think about is that make sure you have contact with the foot along the floor and brush. Always start with the tendu. As you go up, make sure that your kneecap is facing sideways and not the ceiling. Make sure that that's nicely turned out. Keep your hip back and your spine nice and long. Don't let your spine crunch forward. You always want to be holding the core and the shoulder blades back. When we go to the side, it's a little bit different. Make sure you start with a brush, just the same as to the front, but the kneecap has to face the ceiling. The common problem I see is the kneecap facing forwards, and that's not right in the hip. So we really want to get the knee facing the ceiling, get the proper turnout, and that'll be the proper form for your Alice Kahn position. Now, another main thing to think about is your standing leg. In ballet, a lot of people tend to think about their working leg, but it's the standing leg that has to have the hardest job. So make sure that that standing leg is always engaged by lifting up the quad muscles and holding them the whole class. Another important thing to think about is not to let the knee swing forward. That knee's got to stay facing over your toes that you're standing on. That's the hardest to the side. Don't let that hip go in, keep it out, and you'll prevent injuries that way. Thanks everybody so much. I hope I helped a little bit with your grand battements. I'll be looking forward to seeing them in class.